welcome everyone. Welcome to the Masterpieces videos series. Uh, and welcome Pushpinder sir. Thank you for joining us today. And how are you doing today, sir?
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, sir, now that you are a mentor with HEA, can you walk us through your career journey?
Oh, fine. Thank you. Actually, I had been working with this great organization, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, from last 24 years. In fact, I was selected from campus, and since then I am working only with this company because I always enjoyed my work. So I never felt that I should change any company. So since 1996, now it is 2000, so 24 years I have been working with this company. But it has given me a lot of opportunities to learn in between, where I had a mid-course academic development also, where I went for a 1 year post-graduation program in the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. That was my executive postgraduate diploma in international business. So that is one thing I've done, and now I'm presently working as a territory manager in Udaipur.
At what point in life you decided to become a mentor?
Yeah, nice, Preeti. You have asked me. Actually, there is always because as a part of my job also, we keep on mentoring my colleagues. We keep on mentoring our dealer network. We keep on mentoring our staff who are working at our retail outlets. So I also used to do voluntarily some programs in colleges, some lectures in colleges where I used to love it. I had been doing it from quite long, but not doing it in an organized way. And when this association with Dhea, it happened, I think it is an opportunity for me to do it in more organized way, because Dhea has given me that perspective also, that how to go about this in an organized way, how we can work, how we can understand others, and how we can help them.
How do you think the AI is going to change a perspective towards career mentoring or career guidance? What is your views on that?
Fine. Actually, I think everybody in his life, he requires some kind of coaching here and there, and it had been happening. Sometimes our parents becomes our coach, sometimes our colleagues become our coach, sometimes our bosses becomes our coach. But now I understand that, or I felt it in the corporate sector, the competition has increased. We have been facing this kind of pressures from all the sides, and somehow we become the part of that race. So as a why you require that mentor is because there should be somebody who is able to see you and also enable you to see yourself,
Right.
that how you can stop or how you can be a better runner. Sometimes it is very important to actually stop and then run again, and in the right direction, because we just keep running and sometimes we follow some things and just reach somewhere. So mentoring is very important. That's how they will help people in making themselves best of what they are.
What message you want to convey to our viewers, to the parents and the kids, to build their career?
Yep, great thing. I think you asked this. I think most of us are not very clear on actually what we want or what our passions are. Actually, we don't discover ourselves. And in this journey, it is very important that we should discover what we really want from our life. Most of the times we are actually following somebody else's vision and passions. Why? Because somebody had been saying this is good. Oh, this is good. I get fascinated by that. I follow that. Then
Right.
somebody else comes and he says, no, 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 that was not good. Now this is very good. So you go again and you start following that. And somewhere we forget ourselves,
Right.
because the drive has to be from inside, and if it has to be from inside, you have to discover it from your own self only. So that is another reason why mentoring is very important, because mentoring helps you to discover yourself from inside.
Thank you so much for being part of Dhiya Masterpieces interview. Thank you so much. We really see great things from you in the future. And thank you everyone for joining us today for Dheya Masterpieces series. See you next time.